Hello, seniors. It's Monday, May 11th. Hopefully, yesterday, if you were fortunate enough to have your mother in your life, you did something really nice for her. That's important to do. And before we start, also, I want to say that I'm sorry about graduation. I know that certainly isn't ideal. I mean, it's a strange situation, and I think the worst of it for young people is for seniors in high school who miss out on events like that, or at least events as you pictured it, um, you know, 6 months ago. It's an unfortunate thing, and it you know I feel bad for you guys. That's all. There's bigger problems in the world, but I do certainly have some sympathy for you guys. So let's finish this thing strong. Let's get this done. The question actually in the do now assignment is a relevant and important one because I want to know if you need me to do anything different these last few weeks. I've been trying my best to give you decent feedback on your assignments. I hope you're looking at that, trying to give you some relevant content that may help you um, as you move forward. And I just want to know if you need me to do anything different. We're down to the last few weeks here, and I would really like to see everybody finish on a high note. That would be awesome. So that's significant. So the do now assignment is actually a legitimate question that I'm going to look at how you answered it, and it might be something that I can help you with that you write. Okay, so that's it. Second, the Unit 10 exam is available now, actually. If you'd like to take it, make sure that you finish Section 4 first. Let me give you some feedback on it, possibly. But that exam is available to you. Take that. It's due on Wednesday, May 13th. And we'll go from there. We have one more unit left. And we're going to see what we can get through in appropriately without giving you too much, but making it relevant too. Okay? So that's where we're at. If you need any help or have any questions, please let me know. All right, guys.